Two heads are better than one. The new R225 DWS-T 225mm telescopic drywall sander is equipped with two dust extraction compatible sanding heads, a rotary action 225mm round pad for general sanding duties, and an oscillating 280mm triangular pad for detail and corner sanding. The sanding heads can be swapped over instantaneously with their quick-release locking head. Maximum dust extraction was the #1 priority when designing the R225 DWS-T. The round sanding head features a 360-degree bristle brush design to keep the dust on the inside, feeding it into the dust extraction. The detail sanding head features 3 full-length rubber side skirts, helping to minimize dust spill. Adjustable handle allows sanding 175 centimeters from the lower grip point. High-contrast raking light maximizes surface contrast for easier, smoother sanding. A compact 750-watt motor will power through any sanding task. And the angle-adjustable sanding head moves with you for the smoothest finish.